Welcome to another simple dad TikTok and Capcut tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to create I put Capcut on my transition video trend on TikTok using Capcut. If you're new here, then please subscribe to see more videos like this and don't forget to like this video. So for this, you will need TikTok and you will need an app called Capcut, which is free on the App Store or your Google Play Store. So go ahead and download that. Now you want to open up your TikTok app. Next, you want to tap on search at the top right. Here you want to search for I put Capcut on my transition video. In the search result, you're looking for this video here. On this video, you'll see this Capcut button here. Capcut, try this template. Go ahead and tap on that. This will now show you a template of that video. Tap on use template in Capcut. This will open up Capcut and will show you a template. This is the template which you'll be creating your video with. So go ahead and tap on use template. Now here you want to select your video. Then tap on preview at the bottom right. This will create you the video. Now once you're happy with this, go ahead and tap on add sound in TikTok at the top right. This will export the video and send it over to TikTok. Now here TikTok has added the sound for you. So go ahead and tap on next at the bottom right. Add your captions and tags and then post it on TikTok. So that is how to create the I put Capcut on my transition video trend on TikTok using Capcut. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.